Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by verifying accounts and preparing recovery tools. This avoids dead ends. First, confirm whether you use a local account or a Microsoft account. Write down the email and recovery phone. Next, create Windows installation media on an 8 GB USB using the Media Creation Tool or Rufus. Make sure it boots. Finally, backup critical files to an external drive or cloud so you can restore data if you must reset or rebuild system components. Once booted into repair options, choose Troubleshoot and run Startup Repair to fix boot-related faults. This resolves many security service failures. If problems persist, open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to restore component store integrity. After file repair, boot normally and reset Windows security. Open Settings. Go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. Make sure each protection area is enabled and sign in to your Microsoft. To finish, re-enable firewall, virus and threat protection, and controlled folder access. This restores layered defense. If Security app still fails, create a new administrator account and transfer settings. Permissions issues often follow user profile corruption. Make sure Windows and drivers are fully updated, then perform a clean boot to test for third-party interference. If you still see errors, boot into safe mode and run targeted scans. This isolates driver or software conflicts, which is the most common lingering cause of Windows security failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.